Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Miska. I'm the participant from Yaspen Elementary School number 2. Today I want to tell you about the story from the South Sumatra with the title Andai-andai asal-usul burung Punai. Do you know this story? The story is very interesting, so listen to me. Long time ago, in Musibanyasin village, there lived a family consisting of father, mother, and 2 children. Their parents worked in the field. They were as a farmer. One day, when the father and mother went to the field, before leaving, the mother said to them, I want to go to the field. Please don't eat rice on your table. Yes, Mom. During the day, a younger brother was so hungry. Oh, I am starving. Somebody will eat rice on your table. No, you must remember, our mom talked to you. You don't eat some rice on the table. Instead of eating rice, it's so better for us to look for gayat fruit. Huh? Gayat fruit? I want it. Yeah, gayat fruit. Let's go to find it. I'll give you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the gayat fruit is fruit that shaped like some rice. And the color fruit is white. And we could find it on the forest. Then the 2 children went to the forest. When they arrived, they saw the gayat fruit. They ate that fruit together. Oh, it's so fresh fruit. It's so delicious. Oh, I am so full now. Thank you so much, brother. Okay, you're welcome. Let's go back to home. In the afternoon, their parents back to home from the field. And then her child take a bath with his mom in the river. Then the mother saw between her child's teeth there is something like some rice. The mother said to them, I'm so angry with you. You don't listen to me what I talk to you. You don't eat rice on the table. No, I'm not, Mom. We didn't eat rice. Really, not me. I don't believe it you. Go away, I don't want to see you anymore. I'm so sorry, Mom. Really, not me. We didn't eat rice. Well, ladies and gentlemen, after that, they went to the forest behind the house. They saw a very large down tree, and they grew some feather like a bird. Tinggi-tinggilah kau pohon kedong. Emak marah, bak marah. Kami tak makan nasi, yang kami makan buah gayat. Tinggi-tinggilah kau pohon kedong. Tolong tumbuhkanlah bulu di badanku ini. Then their bodies turned hairy like a bird. Meanwhile, when the mother arrived at home and she looked on the table, the rice was still over there. Oh my God! We didn't eat rice. It was still full. Come on, honey. We have to find little children. We have to find them. Come on, hurry up. Then, when they went to the forest to look for the children, but unfortunately his son had climbed on the kedong tree, and they become some feather like a bird. Look at them. His father took an axe to chop down the tree, but it's all too late. They become a bird and they saying, tinggi-tinggilah kau pohon kedong, emak marah, bak marah. Lebih baik kami jadi burung, adik jadi burung tiung, aku jadi burung punai. And finally, their children were Tiung and Punai bird. Their parents was very sad. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.